That feeling. It's why you fish. And now things are about to get even more explosive. Introducing new Berkley Topwaters. This complete line of topwater hardbaits includes 16 spectacular new lures, poppers, walkers, prop baits, and wake baits that trigger explosive strikes and catch more fish. Each bait, each size in the Berkley Topwater line was designed with direct input from Justin Lucas and Scott Suggs, two of the world's top bass anglers. Traditional topwater lure designs provided a starting point, but our inspiration really came from our commitment to doing everything better. All 16 lures in the Berkley Topwater line cast extremely well, so accurately, you'll start calling your shots. And these baits are so easy to work, it'll change how you think of topwaters. Make them spin, walk, wake, or sputter until bass simply can't take it any longer. All 16 baits in the Berkley Topwater line are engineered to perform flawlessly on the water, so you have the right bait no matter what conditions you face. And all come in 8 or more stunning colors that perfectly mimic key bass forage species, frogs, shad, gills. All feature strong, sharp Fusion 19 treble hooks. Expect superb hookup ratios and more fish in the boat. And like all Berkley baits, every lure in the Topwater line endured months, even years of rigorous testing to ensure they meet our standards and yours. New Berkley Topwaters. If you can handle the adrenaline. Berkley, catch more fish.